Hello trainees, today we are going to learn to use and practice of portable power circular saw. The objectives of this video are, after the session you will be able to set the circular saw for sawing, perform the sawing operation with portable power circular saw. First, we will go through the job sequence and then the skill sequence. Let's start. First, we need to take the following precautions. Ensure the plug and the lead of the portable power circular saw are not damaged. Make sure the on-off switch works properly. Try to avoid cutting small pieces. Don't wear long hair. You should also use a dust mask. Move the circular saw against the straight edge. When sawing, use the portable power circular saw. Move it only in the forward direction. Let's move on to the job sequence. Check the size of the wooden piece using folding rule. Mark as per the drawing using marking gauge and tri-square. Draw 3 parallel lines on the job of distance of 75 mm apart. Width size using folding rule, carpenter pencil and marking gauge as shown. Place the job on workbench. Set the blade on portable power circular saw on the part of arbor. Set the cutting guide on depth of job thickness. Support the straight edge and parallel line in job. Stock must be held flat on the table against the cutting guide. Switch on the machine. Start sawing slowly with even pressure. Saw the stock angle along the marked pencil line. Repeat the same procedure for all other marked line. Let's move on to the skill sequence. Select the right blade for the application. This is very important. Also, select the proper size and shape arbor hole. Place the blade on the arbor and tighten the nut with a spanner. Move the table, support the cutting, tighten the guide. Lock them in position on cutting guide. Check all the adjustments. Always wear safety goggles. Use sharp blades. Does it have the proper size and shape arbor hole? Set the workpiece. Objective: this shall help you to perform operation. Note: round log should not be cut. Sawing operation. Hold the job against the cutting guide. Test the saw cut by feeding a rough piece. Saw on marked line by machine pushing the job. Continue the process with even pressure and complete the sawing operation. If you hear a clicking noise, switch off the machine. That's it. We are done with the sawing operation. Recap. Ensure safety by checking the portable power circular saw's plug, lead and switch. In the job sequence, measure wood, mark parallel lines, set the blade depth and cut following the marked lines. In the skill sequence, choose the right blade, Secure it on the arbor, adjust guides, wear goggles and test with a rough piece. Perform the sawing operation with even pressure and if clicking occurs, turn off the machine. Always prioritize safety during the process. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye until then.